far.
Why are you doing this?
Fun, like not like serious, but just to go and mess around. Yo, so we're waiting for you. You guys wanna go to the strip club tonight?
You're not even old enough.
Huh?
You're not even old enough.
I'm like 3 months away.
21.
No, it's 18.
No. 21.
It's 18.
Well, there's a good amount. If it has alcohol in it, it's 21.
There's a good amount that ready to go out.
If it has alcohol in it, it's 21.
He's gonna use the GoPro on a lap dance. We're not the Nelk boys, alright?
Today and tomorrow, very sunny, low cloudy, 90-degree weather, kind of hot, but we'll deal with it. Sunday, 70% chance of rain. Not good, folks. Alright, that's your weather report. Thanks for watching. They're like all over Jersey. They're like a bunch of roaches. You can't get rid of them. Oh, this one. The cockroaches of the sea. Seagulls.
My dad, though, I'm telling you, my dad's got mad.
Dude, like ironically, people in Poland are a lot more tan than us.
I'm telling you, dude, my dad is, you've seen my dad, bro. In the summer, he gets dark as mat.
Yeah, I'll see. Yeah, when I went to Poland over the summer, I see the people there. They're so dark compared to like us, you know. Oh, Polish Americans are just so like pale.
Where are they in the water?
Attacked by the gods. Zeus just clapped.
God was saying this was a bad
He was like, you guys are opening.
We're having a good day, no seagulls, chilling.
Now, lightning struck.
Yeah, I had a fun time in the water, I'm not gonna lie. The water was nice. The water was nice.
We're gonna come back in the water. We're gonna come back in the water.
Have you been in the water?
No.
Oh, you want to come back?
That shit's gonna pass.
That's what I said, but they want to leave.
Why the fuck are we leaving?
That's what I said. We came here, we drove an hour and a half to come here for 2 hours.
Panic at the beach. Panic at the disco. Nope. Panic at the beach.
Look at those two roommates.
How thankful are you that your roommate is coming?
Actually, really thankful.
I know it's a sick dude.
He's the only other fucking level-headed person.
The stoner is rooming with the cop.
Yeah, I've been saying that.
Well, no, you guys called me a criminal. I'm not a criminal. Hey, look, henna tattoo.
The
Go
best
ahead.
fucking ice cream I've ever had in my
Go
life.
to a shop. Fuck
Real
this
peaches
garden.
inside.
You guys want to get hennas? Go right there.
Being in the rain. Alright, go, 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 go. You know. chug, 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 chug.